We start today with a mystery in the west suburbs. Some sort of chemical exposure sent 3 people to an urgent care. They had to be sent then to a hospital. That urgent care is now closed. Our Christian Farr is in Berwyn right now with what we know so far in this story. Christian.
Well, Alex, Berwyn officials are still trying to figure out where the explosion happened that brought those workers here. They believe it may have happened somewhere in Lawndale, about 30 minutes from here. And those workers told the staff here that the person they work for dropped them off. But that person took off right after.
That's kind of scary because I don't know where it happened. And it could have been any of the plants that are around here.
For those who live and work in Berwyn, there is fear and concern after 6 people were rushed to the hospital from an immediate care center near Cermak Road and Oak Park Avenue. This all started at about 11:30 this morning when Berwyn Fire received a call from Physicians Immediate Care that 3 people had been dropped off at the clinic after being involved in some sort of an explosion. All 3 had been exposed to a chemical substance at a different location and were suffering from skin irritation and difficulty breathing. Berwyn Fire says at least 3 staff members of the clinic may have been exposed to that same substance and were transported to various hospitals along with the 3 others. Nicole Planting witnessed the aftermath of this chemical exposure at the clinic.
Cops were blocking off people from going eastbound on Cermak and then also northbound on Oak Park, and several patients were waiting on a gurney outside.
The explosion that was reported to us by the individuals in question, it didn't occur here. They reported that it was off-site. They were a little confused about where it was at first, but we were able to, at least they reported that it came out of the Ogden district in the city. I know that we contacted Chicago immediately for them to investigate it.
Now, it's still a mystery about the person who actually dropped those workers off here. There was also a language barrier, which made it very difficult for even Berwyn Fire officials to speak to those people who had that chemical substance on them. The good news, it appears, that these are non-life-threatening injuries. The clinic is closed for now, so they can conduct some industrial cleaning. Reporting live here in Berwyn, Christian Farr, NBC 5 News.
Thank you for the update, Christian.